Hi class, we have the fifth lesson for indices. The question is to show that this one given, this expression can be written in this form. Not just that, P, Q, and R that present here, P, Q, and R, they are not only constants, but to be found. So there are two things here we need to do. We first express this to look like this. It doesn't come with P, Q, and R. So it means we are not writing this to this one exactly, but to appear like this. Yes, the one we are simplifying, there will be no P, there will be no Q, there will be no R that you can see physically. But the thing is, it has to appear like this one. And what it will come with here, here, and here, they are constant. We need to tell, we need to present. That is the meaning of P, Q, and R to be found. Look at it here. Let's assume we have like 4x minus, let's say 16. What do you think is common here? Is 4. We open, we take it out, we factor it out. So here again, 4 and 5, nothing is common. T minus 2, T minus 2 is common. So we say T minus 2. But not just T minus 2. If we factor out T minus 2, when we know that they write something here, yes, we know we can use T minus 2. Just like here, someone can choose to say, let me use 2. 2 into 4 is 2 with the x. 2 into 16 is 8. But you and I know that 2x and 8, there is also something common. But here it wouldn't have been wrong because we don't mind to further simplify, more steps, more time. But the thing is, they write something here. I know it could be 1, but the fact that they write something, let us don't risk leaving it like this. So we need to consider this and this, which one is common. The T minus 2 with the half and the T minus 2 with the 3 upon 2. First of all, which one is bigger? Half is 0.5. 3 upon 2 is 1.5. So this one is bigger. So it means this can divide this one. So in that case, 4 into 4x, this takes away this leaving x. So here, since this one is smaller than this one, let's say the t minus the 2, t minus 2 with the half is the one that is common. So we open a bracket. So if we can say 4 into this means 4 takes away 4, leaving x, we can as well say t minus 2 with the half takes away t minus 2 with the half. What will remain is 4. Because look at this term, look at this term. T minus 2 to the half, t minus 2 to the 3 upon 2. The fact that this one is smaller than this, we accept this one. Oh, sorry, let me don't say accept. This one is the one that is common. So t minus 2 to the half is common. It is outside. So this into this term, just like what you say, this into this. When this takes away this, leaving this takes away this, leaving 4. We have a plus. Just like we used to say here, minus or plus or whatsoever. Now the thing is, 4 into 16. I know you know it is 4. But how is it 4? 4 into 16 is like 16 divided by 4. Because this one is easy, we don't usually go to this length. But this is not as easy as someone who is better in mathematics could think, but for beginners. So this into this simply means this divided by this. Well, first of all, there is nothing to take away the 5. We can write the 5. But this into this, how many times? But for you to know what to do is the reason I'm saying 4 into 16 is like 16 divided by 4. Okay. So this into this is this divided by this. So we say t minus 2 to the 3 upon 2 divided by t minus 2 to the half. Is that clear? So when usually we have a to power 6 divided by a to power 4, the same basis will take 1. The same basis will take 1. Because of division, we usually subtract. Because of the division, we subtract 3 upon 2 minus half. I hope it is clear. So t minus 2, the denominators are the same. So just say 3 minus 1 is what? Is 2 over 2. And what is 2 over 2? Is 1. So it's like t minus 2 raised to 1, which you and I know that it is not necessary to write it again. So meaning this into this, how many times? Is just the bracket t minus 2, because we've simplified it. You've seen it now. This closes this closes this. And more so, in the second bracket of the form we want to present, there is nothing like a power other than 1. Okay. So we say t minus 2 to the half. This is 4. 5 times t is 5t, plus times minus is minus. 5 times 2 is 10. So t minus 2 raised to half. 4 minus 10 is what? But the one with the t comes first. So let us write 5t first. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. So this is now in the form t minus 2 to the p qt minus r. It doesn't mean you have to write this, but you can see it now. T minus t, t minus t. Generally raised to p. And what is that p now? It is this one. So if it says, if it's like where p and q are constant, we stop here. But p, q, and r are constant to be found. Once they add this one, to be found, you need to find them. So from what we have here to this form, p is what? Is half. Yeah. What is q? Qt, 5t. So q is 5. Yeah. What is r? 6. Yeah, sometimes we have confusing case here. Because of minus minus, we say it's 6. What if here is plus? We cannot say r is 6. We say r is minus 6. Okay, so this is what we have for lesson 5. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you in my next video.